Review 1, page 37. Listening. Activity 3. Listen to the passage and choose the correct answer.
Life in the English countryside. According to a recent survey by Country Life magazine, about 80% of Britain's population dream of living in the countryside. In fact, the countryside of England today shows the wealth of landowners and those who can afford to escape the busy and noisy city life. English village communities are often small and close. They are warm and usually welcoming. Maggie, who lives in North Yorkshire, says, "Village life is wonderful and safe for the kids. There is a great sense of community here. It is more relaxing and you can't tell who has money and who doesn't. People in the English countryside use private transport more and the environment hasn't been spoilt much."